Hello guys, welcome to my web designing series. My name is Anirudh and today I will show you how to make our theme design. Okay, here this design is very simple and the basic thing, but the design concept is very unique. So that's why I'm making this video and I will show you how you can do that also. So first of all guys, I will show you the preview. Here you can see, suppose here is the fourth team member. Okay, so here I have added the first image here, second here, third image here and the last one here. Okay, and I have written one heading and the basic description of our team and the read more button. Okay, so this design you can see it is a very basic but design concept is very unique. Okay, so here I will show you how you can do that design. Okay, so first of all I will move to the Visual Studio Code editor, and guys, if you like this video, so then write in the comment section. I will make the responsive part of this design as well, but in this video just I will show you the desktop. So now I will move to the Visual Studio Code editor and I hope you will be enjoyed this video. So guys, here you can see I have opened index.html file and style.css file. So inside this HTML file I will write the HTML code, and inside the style.css file I will write the CSS. And here you can see I have already added some basic HTML structure. Okay, by the way, all the code I will provide in description. Okay, so you can check the description and you can take the code, but before just watch this video, then you can understand how I'm just implementing this design. Okay, so here this first link is the Google, this one actually bootstrap link, and the first link it's a Google font link. Okay, and this one is the CSS link. I mean this is external CSS, so I have added this link here. Okay, now inside this body tag, first of all I will write section and the class name is team. Okay, I'm trying to write the relevant name because here I'm making the our team design. And now guys, here I will write deep class content left. Okay, by the way guys, class name you can write anything. And now I will copy the same thing here and I will paste here, and this one I will write content right. Okay, so this is done and I will do save, and now I will come to the CSS file. Okay, so here first of all I will write body, and in here I will write padding is 0 and margin is also 0, and default font size I will write here, which will be applicable for all the element. So font size is 14 pixel, and here I will write font family, means that also will be applicable for all the tags, I mean element, h1 tag, paragraph tag, everything. So the font family is here I will write this one. Okay, this is font family. And now here first of all I have written that is team class, so I will copy this class and I will paste here, and some CSS property I will add here, basically one CSS property, that is position relative. And now here you can see I have written one class that is content left and another is content right. So both the class I will write the same CSS property, so I will copy both classes. First of all I copied content left, I will add comma, and again I will go to the HTML file and I will copy content right class, and now here I will paste. Okay, so this one is done. So now I will start to write the CSS here. So width is 50%, and now here display is inline block. Okay, means why I have written display inline block, means content left and content right both element will be in the same place. Okay, same place mean in the same row, means not a same place, means same row. And now vertical align is top, means all the thing, all the content inside those classes, so those will be start from top. Okay, and now padding is top and bottom is 70 pixel and left and right is 100 pixel. Okay, and now the margin left, so margin left is -4 pixel. This one is done, and now only some CSS I will write separately for content left. So I will copy and paste this class, and here the CSS is background color. Okay, so background, you can write background color or background, both are same. So I will write simply background, but if you want to write background color, you can do that. And the color code is E8662B. This one is the color code. And now again I will come to the HTML file. Okay, so here inside this content left, here first of all I will write div class and the class name is image, and inside this image class I will add one image. Okay, by the way, all the images I have already stored inside this images folder. You can see here this is my project structure and here is the images folder. So I have added 4 images here. Okay, all the thing like images code I will provide, so don't worry about it. But before that you have to watch this video and understand how I am implementing this thing. Okay, so now image source, so here dot slash. Okay, so here you can see I can access the images folder. So here images, and I will choose the first image. Okay, and now alter tag, here I will write image 1. So this alter tag we use for the SEO purpose. Okay, now I will copy this thing. Okay, and just here I will paste, and I will change the image. Okay, so here I will write image 4. So image name of the image 4, I already store one image, and here I will change also image 4. Okay, this one is done, and inside this content right I will add the images same way. So I will copy those 2 images, paste here, and here I will write this one is image 3 and here also image 3, and here I will change image 3 and this one also image 3. Okay, and this one image 2 and this one also image 2. Okay, this one is done, and now just inside this content write class, means here I will press enter, and here I will write deep class content. Okay, so inside this I will write the h1 tag, and I will write one heading, that is our theme, and here I will write e tag, and here I will add the paragraph. But before that, here I will write anchor tag. Okay, and inside this href, here I will write JavaScript clone void parenthesis and 0. Okay, that means anchor tag why we use, you have to understand. Anchor tag we use to redirect any other link, but when you are not writing the link here, so that time we write JavaScript void 0, means when we will click the anchor tag, so that time it will not redirect anywhere. But if you write here blank, so the page will start to reload because you did not add any link. But if you added blank here, means page will reload but it will redirect to the same page. So that's why just prevent the reload, we write JavaScript void 0, and here I will write read more. Okay, so I will do save, and the CSS I will do save. Okay, now I will just come here and once refresh. So see here, you can see here it is showing like this. So now what I will do, just I will open a new tab. Okay, and here simply I will type lorem ipsum. Okay, here just we get the demo text, we can use for demo purpose. Okay, so I will open that one and I will copy the text and I will paste inside the paragraph. So from here I can copy any text. So just I will copy this text from up to here. Okay, you can copy anything by the way. So I will paste here. So this one is done. So now if I save and this one reload, so here you can see it's added one para. Okay, now just I will do one thing, I will copy more text. Okay, because it will look better. So here just I will replace this one. Okay, by the way, you can write any text, that is not a mandatory thing. Just for looking better I used more text here. like see here. Okay, now I will totally move to the CSS part and I will start to add the CSS theme. Okay, so first here I will come, and if I scroll up here, after content left image class, so I will copy this image class. Okay, and now here I will paste it, and here I will just set the fixed height, that is 375 okay pixel, and the same width I will add here, that also 375 pixel. So this is done. And now here if you notice here in the left side there is two images. You can see this one is the first image, this one is the second image, and the right side here is also two images. So this one is the first and this one is the second. Okay, so now what I'll do so I'll copy this content left class. Okay, just notice carefully what I'm trying to do here. So content left and this image. Okay, so now if I want to add only the second image of the content left class, second means here the last image. Okay, so we can write here nth child 2 means this second image. If I go to code here, this one is the first inside this content left class, this one is the first and this one is the second. So I can write second, or if you notice this one is the first and this one is the last also. So you can write two ways, like nth child 2 means it will denote the second image, otherwise you can write last child. Okay, last child. Okay, both are fine. Now here I will just write the last child, and now CSS I will write margin top. So margin top is 198 pixel. Okay, and here position is relative, and the Z index I will write 1. Okay, so now I will do save and refresh. So here you can see it is looking like this, means this text is just brought up. Okay, so now this one is done, and now I will write the CSS for those images, I mean all the images. Okay, so all the images parent tag is image class. Okay, so here I will just copy this image class again and I will paste here, and inside this image class I want to write the CSS for image tag. Okay, so here I did not use any dot or hashtag because this is tag. Okay, if I show here again, you can see this one is tag and this tag's parent is this class. So I have written dot image, then only image. Okay, so now here I will write border radius. Border radius is to make round. Okay, so border radius is 50%, and now height is 100% because here I have set the fixed height 375. So means 100% image height means it will go up to the parent class, means this one, means image height will be 375 also. If you have any doubt, you can write in the comment section, I will try to explain. Okay, and now here I will write the box shadow. So box shadow is 0 0 40 pixel and 0. Okay, and now I will add the color of the box shadow. So 0 0 0, okay, and 20%. Okay, this is box shadow color. Okay, I have to remove this 0 from here. So this is done. Now let's see how it will look like. So you can see those images now it is round, and here it's added the box shadow as well. Okay, and this one I can close also because it's now not required. And now I will just write the CSS for this image. Okay, I means content right class the last image. So what I will do means, if I show here again, so content right class and this image. Okay, so I will copy this content right class. Okay, and paste here. After that dot image and nth child 2. Okay, because earlier I have shown using last child, now I will show using two second child, okay, because here it's a second child, first and second, okay. So this one is the second child. So second child width I will write, because this image width I will make it bigger than other, because the previously I had written 375, but this one I will write this 552 pixel, okay. And the height also I will set the same, that is 552 pixel, okay. And position is relative, okay. So here I will change it to relative, and left is minus 500 pixel, and top is minus 176 pixel. This design is very simple and basic thing, but here it is the unique, okay. So that's why I'm making this design. So this is done. So I will just save and refresh. So here it is showing here, but guys, if I write minus, so it will move to the top. Now I will just refresh, and here you can see it's moved here, okay. So this one is done. Now I will add the CSS4. So now first of all, this thing is wrapped by this content class. So I will copy this content class, and I will write some CSS property for this one, okay. So padding is 30 pixel, and here I will write background color, okay. So here you can use background and or background color, both I already told. So before I used background, so that time I'm using background color, okay, because I'm doing like this, so because you can understand all the thing, okay. So 39 and 4D60, this is color code. So this one is done, and now here I will write position is absolute, okay, and width is, that is 470 pixel, and after that here border radius is 5 pixel, and bottom is, that is 199 pixel, and right is 203 pixel. So save, and let's see how it will look. So here you can see it is looking like this, okay. So now here just what I'll do, so I will write the CSS for h1 tag, okay, means heading tag. So I'll copy this one and h1. Why I copied this one? Because if I show here this h1 tag inside this content parent class, so that's why I have written like this way, okay. So here only I will write, that is margin is 0, and now again I will copy this content class and paste, and I will write the CSS for paragraph tag. So margin is 15 pixel 00, that means only top and bottom it will be at 15 pixel, and the letter spacing is 1 pixel, okay. This one is done, and now I will add the CSS for this button, okay. So here I will write class button, okay. So as a I will take the button class as a reference for this anchor tag, okay. So I will copy this button class here, and I will paste, and this button class also inside this content class, okay. So I will write this, and now here I will add box shadow. So box shadow is inset, means this shadow will be inside this button, not outside. That's why we write the property is inset. And the shadow I will write first of all 0, 3 pixel, 5 pixel, and RGBA, red, green, blue color, A for opacity, okay. So 197 comma 80 comma 80 comma 0.779, okay. This is the box shadow, and now here I will write margin top is 20 pixel, and padding, so padding is 15 pixel and 25 pixel, and later I will write transition. Okay, so transition is for the animation thing we use. Okay, when we'll hover on this, so that time it will just delay the hover animation, so 0.2 second, and is in out means how the animation will be applicable when I will the hover out, so that time the same smooth animation will be applicable on the button. Okay, so now this one is done, and now here I will add the hover thing. So I'll copy paste here and I will add the hover, and here I will add the box shadow. Okay, so what I'll do, just I will copy this thing, paste here, and just here I will make change, so that is 13%. Okay, so it is done. Now I will come here, refresh. Okay, here I will add 197. Okay, this one I will just change the color code. Okay, just a minute. Here I will change the color code, that is 197, and here this one 80, this one also 80, and this is fine, 197. And now here I will write 0, this one also 0, this one 0, and now 13%. Now this is fine. Okay, so now if I refresh, so here you can see if we hover on the button, it will look like this. Okay, now here I will open the inspect, and I will adjust this thing. Okay, so here I will increase the width here. Okay, as per your choice you can do that thing. So width is 517, that is looking fine. So here I will write 517 pixel. Okay, so save. So this design is a unique design but very basic thing. Okay, so hope guys you have enjoyed this video. Okay, and if you want to get more update, so please like this video and also subscribe my channel.